Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Clone Engine 23. Here we go. Imperial Transport Troopers, which appears on Mandalorian. Yep. And I got this from WM, which is I just adding extra accessory to make it more cooler, or more tactical style. Yes, I have this chest pouch of a holster, which is I custom from standard vest, tactical vest that I reshape. Yes, I reshape into like this. I only take the holster shape and also the belt, tactical belt, standard tactical belt. I think of most modern warfare minifigure that have a holster on the right side that I cut off because it's already have a pouch on the left. And for the blaster, I adding this T21 light blaster. Yes, you can have this from G, brand, Sin, or WM. Corvette also make this type of bonus blaster of this T21, but Corvette always make it too big, too large for a minifigure scale. I think this is suitable. Look, yes, the scale of hand of if we edit. Oh, so cool, guys. Look, nice. That's it. Just adding extra accessory on your regular minifigure to make it more cooler. That's all. Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many great ideas, and I adding this daily. Yes, you can please stay tuned on my channel and also my other platform like Facebook fan page, my TikTok, and my Instagram. Also my other channel, Azet Combat. That's all. See you on my next video. Always guys, stay safe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.